For the next part of this activity, you're going to need to grab some watercolors, a couple paintbrushes, and some water to rinse the paint off. And so we're going to start with the first square, and it says wet on dry. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over to the rough side. You're going to pick whatever color you want to use. I'm going to use red, and we're just going to put wet on dry, and you're just going to see how that does. Okay, it's wet watercolors on dry paper. Okay, and see that how that behaves. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and grab the next square. I'm going to scoot that one over. I'm going to grab the next square, which is wet on wet. So I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to use my brush, and I'm actually going to get the whole paper wet. Okay, the whole paper. Making sure I get edge to edge, corner to corner, and I fill it up. Now I'm going to take my brush and use that same color that you used before, and you're just going to see how it behaves wet on wet. The wet paint on the wet page. And those are going to be our first two.